page 522, class example number 3. We have to draw a line segment on the grid which passes through the point -4 and 2 and has a slope of -2/3. The line segment must be long enough to cross both the x-axis and the y-axis, and we have to write the coordinates of 3 other points on the line segment which have integer coordinates. So let's start off by plotting that point that we were given. This is -4 and 2. So we start at the origin. -4 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and we've got 2 for y, so that's going to be 1, 2 because it's positive. Alright, so that will be our point at -4 and 2. I'm just going to erase the rest of these here. Now, next up after that, we have to draw a line segment which passes through this point at -4 and 2. It has a slope of -2 and 3. Now remember, when it comes to slope, okay, it's rise over a run. So what we're saying with -2/3 is going to be 2 down because it's negative, and a 3 to the right. Those are our instructions, so let's plot some more points here. So if we move from the original point, which is -4 and 2, we're going to go 2 down, so 1, 2, and 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here's our next point. That is -1 and 0. Okay, moving on again to the next point after that, you go 2 down, so 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Here's our next point right here. That is going to be 2 and -2. If we try that once more, we have 2 down, so 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3 is our last point. That's going to be at 5 and -4. Now we have to draw a line segment crossing the x-axis and the y-axis. So I'm going to bring over the ruler. Okay. And I'm going to draw a line segment that connects all of these dots together. Here's your line segment. Crosses the x-axis and the y-axis, and it brings all of these points together.